Hello, in this video we will see how to find Wi-Fi password on your macOS. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mac Mini. In order to see the Wi-Fi password, you need to click on this Apple menu and go to the System Settings. Under System Settings, click on the Wi-Fi option. Under Wi-Fi option, click on the Advanced tab. Under Advanced tab, you can see the known networks. Under the known networks, you need to click on the three dots and click on the copy password. So in this way, you can copy the password for that particular network name. In order to have the password written somewhere in your notes, go to notes and click on the paste option. And in this way, you will get the password of your Wi-Fi. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.